right? Then I go to the advanced settings and they will check this one, default location, then next, and for the source I will type GitHub, then connect to my GitHub. I will click on confirm. Then for the repository, make sure to choose the correct repository, otherwise you will face issues. You will choose this one, and for the branch I will choose the master branch, because all my codes are in the master branch. I have only one branch. Here we will use AWS code build. In next videos I will show you how you can integrate Jenkins here to provide these credentials here, the provider name, the server URL, and the project name. So let me come back here and choose code build. Why at the beginning of this section I insist about something that all the services must be in the same region, and in our case the Oregon region. Why? Because I will show you here after this loading, I will show you if I select, it will show me DevOps code build and then code build. But if I change, for example, the region to the North Virginia, I will find no projects, because my code pipeline is in Oregon, so the code build and code deploy must be in the same region. So I must choose the Oregon region, then choose the DevOps code build, then click on next, and for the deployment we'll use code deploy, right? And it is selected by default the Oregon region, and in the Oregon region we have our DevOps code deploy. And for deployment group we have the deployment group here. Then I will click on next. This is only a review. I have set in everything properly, so I have to create on pipeline. So if we have set everything well and everything works properly as we expected, so the code pipeline will create it successfully, and all the stages, either the first stages that contain our GitHub, then the second one is the build stage, then the third one is the deployment stage. So So now if we come here, right, and try to refresh, you can see we have updated a few seconds ago and a minute ago, right? So if we come back here, try to refresh, everything looks as we expected. So let me change something here. For example, in the scripts here, for example, I have not. So here in the scripts, run scripts, right? I must run the scripts on the master node, but before that we have to copy that from our Ansible server to our master node. Before I do that, I have to check if the master node IP address, private IP address, is correct. Yes, yeah, paste it here, right, under the Ubuntu cluster. And something else I will change, code source, then go to app. Here there is React node starter, and they replace it with Abdali, my last name. Right, then I will add that, commit the changes, then push that to our GitHub repository. So if we come back here, this pipeline will trigger again and will start to build and deploy. Try to log in. So I have here React node starter, but if our pipeline works properly here, I must have the same as we have here.